Taliban announced the people who worked for foreign forces in Afghanistan will be safe as long as they show remorse and should not leave the war-ravaged country. They shall not be in any danger on our part. None should currently desert the country. A statement released by the armed group, the Islamic Emirate, would like to inform all the people that they should show remorse for their past actions and must not engage in such activities in the future that amount to treason against Islam and country. Subscribe Daily Reveal TV. Also click the bell icon for upcoming videos. The statement came as the United States and NATO forces are continuing to pull out after US President Joe Biden set September 11 as the deadline to end Washington's 20-year military involvement in the country. Taliban now in a position to set up pure Islamic pursue country in the world as they get full support China and Pakistan. China, Afghanistan and Pakistan have recently discussed that after the withdrawal of US troops from Afghanistan, the country should pursue a moderate Muslim policy. The rapid US military withdrawal from Afghanistan is creating intense pressure on the CIA to find new ways to gather intelligence and carry out counter-terrorism strike in the country. US officials are in last-minute efforts to secure bases close to Afghanistan for future operations, but the complexity of the continuing conflict has led to thorny diplomatic negotiations. One focus has been Pakistan. The CIA used a base there for years to launch drone strikes against militant in the country Western Mountain, but was kicked out of the facility in 2011. CIA made an unannounced visit in recent weeks to Islamabad, Pakistan to meet with the chief of the Pakistani military and the head of the Directorate of Inter-Services Intelligence, the country's military intelligence agency. Defense Secretary Austin has had frequent calls with the Pakistani military chief about getting the country's help for future US operations in Afghanistan. According to US officials familiar with the conversations, as you remember that Daily Reveal TV had informed you about this matter that Pakistan clearly refused to allow his air bases under US use. And Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi also told last month that the government would not allow the US military to return to the country's air bases. Forget the past, but I want to tell the Pakistanis that no US base will be allowed by Prime Minister Imran Khan so long he is in power. US President Joe Biden has promised there will be no US troops left in Afghanistan by the 20th anniversary of 9/11 terrorist attacks this year. But Washington is determined to keep supporting the Afghan government in its fight against the Taliban, and this is unlikely to be achievable without the establishment of US military bases in Afghanistan neighboring countries. The US military command preferred option reportedly would be Central Asia. This is certainly the most obvious option. US troops were after all based in the region from 2001 to 2014. Since then, however, much has changed. Most importantly, the US relationships with Central Asia, their main external partners, Russia, China and Pakistan, have sharply deteriorated, and they will clearly not welcome a US return to the region. In this tense situation, as US have been keen to be focused on that, how they will deal with the Taliban after his withdrawal. So then some unbelievable remarks coming from Taliban side. As you know, thousands of Afghans worked with the international forces in the past 20 years as interpreters, security guards and helpers in other capacities. They fear retaliation from the Taliban once the foreign forces have left. Many have applied for special visas to leave the country. Several countries including the US, Germany and Britain have programs to resettle their local staff. The application of about 18,000 Afghans seeking a special immigration visa are currently pending at the US Embassy in Kabul. Thousands of others have already been resettled to the countries they have worked with. Last week, the Taliban also tried to calm foreign embassies after the Australian mission shut down in Kabul. The group said it would provide a safe environment for these missions to work even after foreign forces leave the country.